All right, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 24, mini project flyer game. And this one's called falling. So if the user doesn't press any keys, the player sprite should fall. Do this. Find the code comet falling. Use the counter pattern to with the player sprite's velocity y to make the flyer fall. Test your code to make sure that it works. The sprite should fall faster as it goes down the screen. All right, so that was easy. We found falling. And we're going to need the counter pattern. So we're going to need our variable. All right, and we're going to need the player velocity y. All right, so let's do that. So we're going to go back to sprite. Player velocity y. Okay. And that's going to equal player velocity y plus 1. So the reason it's plus 1 is because this is 0, this is 400. So if we want it to fall, we want it to go just like that. So let's run up. Oh no, he fell off the tree. Okay. All right. That is it for level 3, y'all. Simple, easy, easy. So once you have that done, we're going to click finish, and I will see you in the next level. Here we go.